Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will learn how to add menu under menu items. To get latest tutorials and updates, please subscribe to TechSparks. Without any further delay, let's jump in and get kickstarted. In the previous tutorial, we have added menu items and created an activity to navigate whenever we click on a particular menu item. Now we will learn how to create nested menu options. Nested menu options, you have to create a menu under this. You have to create an item. Under this item, you have to create another menu item. So I have named this item as more and adding as show as action as if room available, and that's all. In this menu I have to close this tag in this way and add a menu inside this item and add items inside this menu. I'm adding a couple of items under this menu. I'll give the name of the first item as show profile. What should I give? Profile would be more appropriate. Let me give show profile only, and then I'll add one more item. Let me just copy paste this code and add the title as logout here. Yeah, logout would be more appropriate and make some sense. Now I will add a icon for this show profile. Icons equals to, I already have one drawable which is account circle. I will show this one over here and let us see how does that look over here. Build is happening. Let's wait for a moment. Yes, the build has happened. Let us see how does that look. As you can see, there is that's all for this video. Let's meet in the next one. Bye. See you.